Alright guys, so maybe some bad news after all. So what I thought was going to be an easy setup turns out to be very hard. I'm going to turn on the goggles so you guys can see what happens. I'm going to turn on the quad. The quad should be able to run with the original battery that I bought for it because it did not come with one or a charger. And it looks like it has the same connector. I think I was wrong before when I said this was a different connector, but it should also work with this. One of the problems though that I found, no matter what battery you use to connect up to it, after just a few seconds it starts getting really hot up here. So I don't know what that is all about. Press this and then up, which is what you need to do to bind, and then at some point it should bind, which it doesn't do even though after I release it.
Likey.